Every minute of life became precious to me after my husband passed on, so I went back to school to live my best life. When I started making cool videos in school like these, my 5 grandkids started calling me CG for cool grandma, and because when my precious had puppies, I kept every one of them. You know, they mean everything to me, and that's why I'm sharing my story about Dawn. That's right, the blue dishwashing soap. It made no sense to keep buying expensive flea killers that don't work. So I tried a homemade recipe I found online using Dawn, and guess what? Yep, it's been 3 years so far, not a flea in sight. That's when I learned Dawn is more than just a dishwashing soap. It's a little bit more expensive than the others, but I'll pay the extra pennies any day. Those Dawn folks, they're good people. Right, Precious?